Hello everyone, I'm Shaburi from HookedInLoops.com. If you have still not subscribed to my channel, then please hit the subscribe button, and for getting updates of new videos, then please click the bell icon. I generally do tutorials on crochet crafts, but today I will be doing the tutorial on this beautiful clay art jewelry, and you will get all the updates of my latest craft in my website www.hookedinloops.com, and these are the materials I needed for this project. So let's begin the tutorial. At first, we will take the Fevicryl Mouldit. It contains two packages. It contains the resin base and the hardener. We will take clay art tools. We will take out equal proportions of both the resin base and the hardener, and we will mix them together with little bit of powder. As you can see, both the parts are different colored. So we will mix them properly and uniformly until we get a single colored mixture, that is a white colored mixture. Okay, as you can see now. So we will roll it out like this. We will take the roller and roll it out in the shape we want it to be. Okay, in this manner. I wanted a rectangular shaped base. So for that, at first I rolled it out in this manner, and then I took the knife and then I cut it out in this manner. It will be better if you spread your craft on a plastic sheet, because it will not stick to the base. Okay, and it will dry. It will be easier for you to remove it while drying out. Okay, then after that we will make the central portion of the sunflower. So we will roll it out as earlier with a roller. Okay, and then we will take a circular cap or circular thing like this and make a circular impression on it. Okay, remove the extra outer part and the interior portion is ready. In order to smoothen the edge, you can use little bit of water, but do not use excess water. Okay, and the interior circular portion is ready. We will add glue on top of the base where you want to stick the center portion of the sunflower, and we will allow it to dry. In the meantime, we will be making the petals of the sunflower. I prefer using my hands and the fingers to give the shape to the petals. You can use the clay tools also, but with fingers we can bring out the realistic shapes. Okay, so we will quickly make the petals. Okay, and it's done. Now we are going to make the leaves. Okay, so as usual, just press it and give it a leaf-like shape. Okay, in this manner you can use tools or also your fingers. and when your shape is ready, just stick it in the position you want to stick your leaf. Okay, now the decoration is completely up to you and where you want to stick the leaves. Okay, in the top I will be adding 2 leaves and 1 leaf at the bottom. Okay, I prefer using glue for sticking the shapes on top of the base. Okay, so the 2 leaves are attached. We will make impressions on the leaves later on. Now we will be making 2 holes on the top through which we will pass the string of the necklace. Okay, do not forget to do it. And then we will be making small dots like impressions in the central portion of the sunflower. Okay, like this. Now we will be adding the petals on the base. Okay, around the central portion. Just stick it out in this manner. You can fold the petals in this manner to give it a realistic petal-like feel. And we will attach all the petals one by one. Just fold it a bit as I am showing you. We will be adding impressions on the leaves with clay tools that are provided in this manner. If you don't have clay tools, then you can use pen needles, anything with which you can make the impressions. Okay, and after that we will quickly stick all the petals around the central portion. You can make impressions on the petals too, okay, with your clay tools. So quickly add all the petals around the sunflower. We are attaching the last petal and it's done. Okay, just fold it little bit for the realistic effect. We will be adding a leaf at the end like this, and our locket is ready. We will allow it to dry for at least 24 hours, but it dries out in 3 hours. Okay, now after drying we will be adding a layer of white color on top of it. I am using the Fevicryl acrylic paints. So at first I am painting it completely white and then I will let it dry for some time. After the white paint has been dried out, we will be painting our neck piece according to our own imagination. So our locket is completely ready and dried out. I have added a layer of wood gloss on top of it to give it a very shiny and very beautiful effect. For this I have used Dendrite wood shine polyurethane, and after adding it we will allow it to dry out completely at least for 6 hours, and then I will at the end I will attach the strings. Pass the string around the hole in this manner I am showing you. Now the decoration is completely up to you. I like to keep it very simple because the neck piece is elegant itself. So for the tassel, I prefer simple tassels, okay? And at the end, just I will pass two beads through it, okay? And our neck piece is completely ready. Okay, I hope you liked this tutorial and it's beautiful too. One more thing, I have already made a tutorial on this particular neck piece, so I will attach the link in the description box. So if you liked this tutorial, then please hit the like button, comment in the comment section for any queries. I will answer all your queries. Please follow my website www.hookedinloops.com. Please subscribe to my channel, and thank you. Have a great day.